What's up, everybody? My name is Joseph Gray. I am Catherine's husband, and I guess some of you guys have been asked her to have me do a voiceover to some of her tutorials. This will be one of them. I know nothing about makeup, so just be fair warned. I know mascara, maybe foundation. I know she buys a lot of palettes, but I really know jack diddly squat about makeup. So just to let you know, fair warn. Got a pink box here. It's reading some of the what it says there up front, and it's glow risk. It's a watermelon mask, maybe, or I'm assuming it's something you put on your face. Obviously, but we're gonna pop this open. Reading the back, probably like this. Just because it's a watermelon scent, maybe it's made by one. Please, don't consume it. Keep out of reach of children, of course. But it may smell good, though. I'm assuming it does. And let's see, pop it open. Get that big bottle. Nope. Well, kind of big. It's a little bottle there. It's got a cool little pictures on the inside of watermelons. That's kind of neat. Nice juicy watermelon. And we're going to take this bottle here, nice and pink colored, and it's got a little squeeze bottle top on there. We're just going to get some of that on our hands and smell it. Oh, you're going to eat it? No, she's not going to eat it. Put the hair back. Get the hair out of her face. Rub it in. Oh, yeah, and just smother it in. Get it right on the skin. Don't be shy with it. Just kind of lather it up. Get it eyeballs, mouth, lips, eyes, ear, face. Don't be shy with it. Kind of just like a butter on toast. Just want to cover the whole surface. And then we got this small little green jar. Pharmacy something. I swear it said Walgreens. I doubt it did. I don't think it said Walgreens, but we're going to take that and we're going to smear that on just right on top of the watermelon scented glow around the neck. I think this is all just moisturizer. Get under the eyes, not in the eyes. Oh, got a little band here to keep the hair out of our faces. Smart. Pro move. Take this here. Shake it up. You got to make sure a lot of this makeup, I see that you have to shake it. This probably so it doesn't clump up maybe. Oh, and we're going to mark our faces. Kind of like a tribal thing. You got the chins, foreheads, the neck. Swoosh it on down the throat. And you're just going to take her little egg-shaped foam thing and just kind of blend it in. Blend it in eyeballs. And what's real important with makeup is you just want to do both sides. Kind of just, you don't want to just, you want to make sure it's nice and even. I'm going on to the next piece of makeup. And this has a little brush with it already. Oh, going right under the eyes with this. Get rid of those dark circles. And on the chin, nose. Probably the important, on the lips. All right. And we're going to rub that in with the egg-shaped foam thing as well. It's going to have a big, thick layer. A lot of makeup too. It's got layers like the Earth's crust. You got the core. Kind of just you got to build up. And I always seen like a lot of makeup artists. They like to wear you bright mirrors, the lights and everything. You just want to make sure you're nice and blind when you're doing your makeup. Can't see nothing. We'll move on to one dab. I'm thinking this is more concealer maybe, or I'm just another layer you have to add on. Just remember it's more layers. And it's got this round container. It's probably got some type of powder in it, I think. It's almost like a gold coin. It's nice and pretty. Nice. I think it's powder. Is it powder? maybe. I don't, but you want to grab a nice little thick brush, big old brush here, and we're just going to go side to side, up and down on the cheekbones. We'll do one side, and then make sure, oh, get the forehead too. Kind of outline your face here. Get some in your hair, and it's okay if you get some in your hair. It'll come out. Keep going side to side, and make sure we get the other side. Like I've said, it's important to do both sides. Get nice and brown color right there around the chin. Oh, other cheekbone. And now, once that's done, we move on to our next step. We'll grab, oh, a nice little pink colored, like this is maybe blush, maybe. And we're just gonna lather that on there too. Don't be shy with your makeup. Always, you want more. You want your face to pop. When someone sees you walking down the street, they're gonna be like, "Whoa, look at that." That's what they'll say. Look at that. And we got this nice gold, kind of neutral colors. Nice, pretty, kind of shiny. We'll go from middle to the right. We'll take a smaller brush, and we're just gonna go right over that spot we put that pink in. Just kind of go right over it. Oh, little boop on the nose there. Go around the forehead and the cheeks again. Then we got this little palette here. Beautiful. And we're going to use kind of in the middle there, pink and gold maybe. And kiss. Yep. Perfection. Put it on your finger. Kind of see what it would look like maybe on your skin. Cover it up there. Yep. Put it on your wrist. I've seen people do this. I'm not sure if you're supposed to keep it on your wrist or wash it off afterwards, but why not? Just leave it on there. And they're going to take some and put it on your fist too, on the top of the hand. Watch it glisten in the light, real pretty. It's just going to make your face pop real big. I'm just going to take it and go over the same spots. It looks like just right over and the eyes, your tear ducts. Don't want, and boop it on the nose, right above the lip there, the top lip, and on the chin. There you go. And then we got over and come to our next product. Vroom. Got everything ready to go here. What's our next product? We have a nice little green case. It's called All of You Forever. Nice. Kind of like what they're going with that. Kind of like I Love You Forever thing, like that. Got all these pretty colors. I think we're going to use all of them, possibly. I think that's the best idea. You might as well use them all. You bought the whole palette, use them up. So we're going to start. Oh, this is a different one, different palette. Maybe we'll mix the two together. And there's the brand of that one. We'll mix the two maybe together. Maybe make it shinier. But here we go. Yep. And we're going to use the top one there on the top corner there. And we're going to take a little stubby brush and we're just going to dab it on there. And then we're going to take it and go right above the eyeball there on the eyelid. Just going to color it in. If we're going to use all the colors, you got to make sure we get these nice brown look there to it. Just do one side and then you do the other. Make sure you always do both sides. You can't just do one side. You got to do both. And we're going to go with the darker pink color there. And not a different brush, of course. For some reason, you can't use the same brush. You got to use different ones for each thing. Which never made sense to me. It would be cheaper, I think, if you just use one brush. I mean, universal brush, maybe somehow. But we're just going to take that color, dab it kind of over it, kind of blended it in there in the corners. Nice. We do one side here, and then make sure you go over, you do one side and go do the other side. Get this nice and darkened in. See how that blends in real nice. Like that. And take it, and we're going to go on the other side. Do the exact same thing, and boom. Got this. Oh, is that a brush? There's no way that's a brush. It looks like to cut the bristles off. What are you going to... Alright, we're going to use it anyways, and we're going to use the top, kind of a lighter color there. And we're going to put that right underneath the eyes. That's a bold strategy there, Cotton. See if that pays off. I didn't know you put underneath the eyes. Just make sure that if you do this, caution, watch out for the eyeballs. You don't want to poke your eyeballs with a brush. I mean, they are small little stubs on the end. Maybe that's why they use small. Makes sense. I'm figuring it out as I go. And we're going to use this darker, it's not quite red, it's kind of pink, kind of maroon colored maybe. And we're going to go right back underneath the eyes. I don't know how she's not getting in her eyeballs. That would hurt. Let's go right, kind of outline the eyeballs. The eyeballs are the gateways to your soul. So you want those to be as bright and colorful as possible. And we're going to go with the bottom row here. Grab this color, and we're just going to dab it. Not even going to use a brush. Just use our fingers here on this one. Such a small surface. Dab, 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 dab. With the fingers. Dab, 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 dab. Look at that. Dab, dab, dab. Just kind of get that kind of a two-tone type look to the eyes. And then we're going to take another stubby brush. And we're going to get a little darker right underneath the last color we used, kind of the maroon. This is super dark. And we're just going to go over the same spot again, adding to the layers of the eyes. You just want people to notice you when you walk down the street. And then you take some Stella. I'm thinking this is some type. It looks like the shape of a lip gloss or lip balm, maybe, or lipstick. Is it lipstick? Let's see. What do you guys think? $100 says it's lipstick. No, Stella. And then we got some pink. Maybe it's pink. I don't know. It could be deceiving there. And these will go. Boom. I'm not sure if she put it on or not. I think she did. On her lips, maybe. I can see a difference there. Yeah, see, look, there's a lip pen. I know that one. That's a pen marker. And I think you just, we'll show you. Here you go. Yep, outline it. Outline those lips. Just connecting the dots from bottom of your lip. And then you do the top, connect it. If you feel like you need to put dots there and connect the dots, go right ahead. Then we got this nice, beautiful purplish colored bottle. There's more lip stuff. Can't see putting more in there. You gotta open these boxes up there, Catherine. Oh, yeah. We're just going to spray your face with this. Yep, and then it stinks. Alright, and that's it. Boom. And you get this glorious face you see in front of you. Thank you guys, everybody, for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to her channel. Make sure you hit that little bell there to get notifications for any new videos. If you like these type of videos, you like me doing a voiceover, I have no idea what I'm doing. But if you like this, please leave a comment down below. And that sounds like that's it. Thanks, guys. Have a good day. Bye.